All right, hey, this is Hans, and this is
Mimi.
And it's time for another unboxing time at the Ramen Raider, the show where we show you what comes in the... And today we've got something from...
What is that?
That's right, Mimi. We've got a package. This is from a reader. His name will be enshrined in the Ramen Raider Mausoleum's special golden plaque. His name is Nick Bizarro, and he answered a call, a very special sacred call for ramen that is almost impossible to get unless you're in prison. And I don't want to go to prison to get ramen. So let's crack this open and I'll show you what I'm talking about. What do we have here? We have bona fide, real deal, leave it alone, prison ramen. So why is this special? Well, first off, you can't buy this anywhere except from commissaries and prisons. Look at that, Texas beef Maruchan. Notice it's a clear pack too. And why is it a clear pack? So you don't put any drugs in it. I mean, look at the little clear thing there too, you know? So it's to make sure that no contraband makes it in. So, yeah. What do you think? Prison ramen. Yeah, you gonna try it?
Try it.
Yeah? All right. Well, very cool. Thank you again for these 2 packs from Nick Bizarro. He spent quite a bunch of money on eBay for these. I think he spent like 75 bucks to get 24 packs. So at $3 a pack, that's a lot of money. So. Is it pretty cool? All right. Well, this has been Hans, and this has been
Mimi.
Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one.
Bye.